Beaver Kits and the Feather Quilt Journey. At night, Maple and Sprig huddled on a log as their beaver lodge vanished in silver river waves. Moonbeams lit the water. Maple saw silver-stitched feathers floating by, shining in the dark. Their log nudged a willow. Below swam trout with sparkling thread spools, offering the shiny thread. At dawn, Maple gathered blue, russet, and white feathers. Sprig swapped a pebble for more thread. Otters helped. Under the willow, the kits worked. One held shiny thread, the other wove and knotted bright feathers. By moonrise, they finished a patchwork feather quilt, softer and prettier than any lodge wall. Maple and Sprig snuggled under their feather quilt. Moon and stars shone. Their quilt glimmered below. Maple said, "Home is what we make together." Sprig nodded, cozy with their quilt and shiny gifts. Safe and warm, Maple and Sprig watched dreams flicker across the quilt's shimmering patchwork. Morning came and Maple and Sprig peeked out from their feather quilt, ready for whatever came next.